How to automatically rotate screen on your stock Android 15. By default, turn on the screen rotation on your Android device. So when you rotate your phone, you can see the rotate icon on your device at the bottom right. So tap on it to rotate the screen on your Android 15. If you want to automatically rotate the screen, you need to enable settings, like open the app drawer, go to settings, tap on the display and touch. Now scroll down. At the bottom you can find the auto rotate screen. You can also search this setting on your phone to directly access these. Now to go, tap on the auto rotate screen. Now automatically adjust the screen orientation when you move your phone between portrait and landscape mode. So toggle on it to automatically rotate the screen. When you toggle on it, also automatically activate face detection. So it will automatically use your face to front facing camera to improve the auto rotate. Now when you rotate the phone, now go to settings and open any screen. Now when you rotate the phone, it will automatically rotate your phone screen like this. Here you can see the screen rotation on your device. You can also quickly access it by swipe down the notification panel. Swipe the screen, you can find the auto rotate option. Tap on it to enable or disable auto rotate on your Android 15. If you want to automatically rotate home screen settings, you need to enable other option. To enable home screen rotation, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the home settings, and at the bottom you can find the allow home screen rotation. Make sure this option is enabled to automatically rotate the home screen. Now go to home screen and rotate your phone like this to automatically rotate the home screen on your Android 15 and other device. That's it. If you like it, share it.